Crumpets content here, y'all, aka G, aka J Legend, aka the best in the business. And I'm here talking about the Eagles dismantling the 49ers 31-7. And it wasn't even close. Eagles just took the 49ers quarter of Purdy right out the game. He said he ain't even want to play no more. That's how they get Son Reddick bodied this behind out the game. He took his behind out the game because they came in the game like they were bullies, and we showed them we was the Broad Street bullies, and we bullied they behind. They ain't had nothing for us. We just slowly grinded they behinds out. And grinding their eyes out until we start wearing them out, and we just ran the ball on them. And then that's when we started getting touchdowns on them. Yeah, 4 rushing touchdowns on them. We grinded that game out till we busted open, and we won the game on defense, even though we got 4 rushing touchdowns, but most of them was off of defense because we forced 3 turnovers. We scored 2 from defensive turnovers. So that's how we did it. Yeah, I said we won the game on defense, like I said. Even though I said we had 4 turnovers. No, we had 3 turnovers. And we slowly broke that game open. We just out physical them all day. Jalen Hurts made a few key plays, like the play he made to Devontae Smith. Even though I think we might have got away with one, but they still considered it as a catch. But we rushed back to the line and quick snapped it real quick so they couldn't review it. But we got that one off, and then Jalen Hurts got a rushing touchdown, and then we got Miles Sanders got a few rushing touchdowns. Miles Sanders got 2 rushing touchdowns, and you got Boston Scott got a rushing touchdown. And that was it. Yeah, that was it. And that was it. And we sealed out the game. We took care of business. And the player of the game was Hassan Reddick, where he knocked the guy out the game. He knocked Purdy out the game. The first starting quarterback Purdy out the game, and then Dominic Sue knocked the backup Johnson out the game. It was funny, but it was crazy. They act like they didn't even want to play no more. It was just hilarious. They had Purdy, then he want to play. He said, "Nah." He said, "Coach, I can't even play." You gonna try to play? No, I can't even play. I can't even do. It was hilarious. Then eventually they had to get McCaffrey to be at quarterback until they brought back Purdy. Purdy couldn't even throw the ball. It was funny. It was crazy at the same time, but it was funny. But This is the Crime Prince of Com team signing out. Don't forget to click and subscribe to the channel. Peace.